You ever been somewhere and needed something that you just didn't have? I'm not talking earthquakes, political unrest. I'm talking a flat tire. Maybe you're cold, maybe your kid's got a cut. That's why we built the 72 Survival Systems. This thing will work no matter the situation, big or small. I want to tell you what sets it apart from everything else and what makes it the top rated survival kit that's ever been made. So first of all, this is the 72 Pro. It's a 2-person kit. We have a 1-person, we have a 4-person, a 6-person, an 8-person. This is our most popular model. 2+ people, 72+ hours. You'll see right away, welded, roll top. This thing's airtight. It'll even float you down a river if you need a life jacket. It will keep your stuff inside totally dry, keep your medical stuff clean. It'll keep mice out from the food that's inside here. It's designed to go anywhere and to be ready to go when you need it. The inside is where this thing gets really special though. We call this inside the backpack. It's got screen printed instructions that aren't going to get wet and tear and be hard to find. Everything's color coordinated to match the pockets inside. I don't have enough time to tell you about everything in here, but let's take a quick look. First of all, everything's organized into different pouches. If you're needing to get warm, everything to do that is in the warmth pocket. Beanies, gloves, hand warmers, tent. We've got a water filter to 100,000 gallons of water with its own bladder and a steel water bottle that you could boil water if you needed. We've got a ton of first aid in here, including the First Aid Pro that comes standard in the 72 Pro. We've got N99 air masks, high quality ski goggles, not the little ones you used to wear in the lab in high school. Everything in here is really good. Even the matches, man. Matches are a waterproof case with a bit of cotton on top to help you get the fire going. We've thought of everything for you, so you're ready next time. 72 Pro, there's no reason not to have one. Get one today, put it in your car, be ready for whatever happens next time.